Marlin with Storm Pros of Virginia. I'm here at 6193 Deer Path Court in Manassas, Virginia. It's about 9:30 in the morning on August 3rd, and we're going to be doing a repair attempt here in the area that I have documented. We'll look at that closely here in a minute. You can see I have it marked. It's about 79-80 degrees on the roof right now, and the shingles that I have a slash mark on, that's the 3 tabs that are a part of the shingle that we're going to be replacing. I also marked another area over here that we're going to call the control area, and just wanted to show the condition of this roof in an area where we're not going to touch it. And when we brush this, there's a little bit of debris on the roof from the trees, but I'm not seeing any loose granules at all that come off. So we're going to see what happens when we do the repair and how that compares to this. All right, so we're going to go back and get started with the repair. So like I said, you can see the damage here. This was one of the shingles that was paid for in the claim because of something from the tree that impacted it. So we're going to unseal that one first. Some of these tabs are already unsealed, and we got to unseal these above it. That one's already loose. And we also have to unseal this next row because we have some fasteners up underneath these that are going to be going through this shingle. All right. Next thing we've got to do is get the fasteners out. So we're going to go right up underneath here. Pop these nails out. 1, 2. I don't know if you can see that one actually popped right through. 3. And man, we got one right kind of on the shingle joint there, which is okay. So there was 4 nails in that shingle. Now we also have to go up, remember, like I said, up to these, because these also go through. We've got 1 more. 2. 3. 4 up here. Okay. Just make sure we're not missing one over here. All right. And now, if we did this right, we should be able to slide this damaged shingle right out. There we go. All right, let's just lay that to the side. And before we put this back on, I just want to kind of brush and just see how we're doing on everything so far. Clean this seal strip off. And I also do want to see whether there was any material transfer, so let's just take a close look at these seal strips. Doesn't look too bad. All right, so let's go ahead and try to install our new shingle back in here. So this is our new shingle. And the first thing we're going to do is slide that up in here and align that with the proper spot, which is about right there. Okay. And this repair shingle is what was recommended by the ITIL that we pulled on this roof. This is a Certainteed XT25 AR in weathered wood. Alright, so now we've got to put fasteners back in here. In order to get the fasteners in, we have to lift the shingle up enough to be able to drive the nail. Just keep that in mind. So I'm going to get one right here. This is properly aligned, and we'll get this side. All right. And now we're going to go to the shingle above, get a few nails here, and re-nail where we needed to take this apart. Right here we have to just go right beside the previous nail holes. We'll need one more. Alright, so we should be fully nailed back down. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm going to kind of brush this clean again. We have a few loose granules. All right. So on this tab, you can actually see right here in this corner, we've got a little crack from manipulating it. Same on this one, it's a little bit hard to see. A little bit of cracking and granule loss right here in this area as well. This one has a little crack right here. All right, so based on the damage that we actually created so we replaced one shingle, we created damage to 2 additional shingles during the course of doing that repair. So because of that, we're going to consider this repair attempt to have been a fail.